here we go. Look here, what is this? This, my friends, is a Shellback Dinghy, a Shellback sailing dinghy. And I am the very happy new owner. I'm the second owner. The first owner was the builder. And unfortunately for him, and fortunately for me, he died before he put it in the water. So today, we get to put it in the water for the first time. Shall we? I think that would be a great idea. Shellback Dinghy. Well, here we are. Here we are out in the intercoastal. Sailing along. I'm sailing. Hi, bird. I'm sailing.